Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be looking at the brand new Toyota Sienna XLE with the limited package. This is a 7-passenger minivan in midnight black, and under the hood you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 driving on 18-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features on the Sienna includes fog lights, proximity smart key system, power sliding doors, and a power liftgate. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It has our lock and unlock button. Like I mentioned, this Sienna does have a smart key system, so we can press these two lines on the door handle to lock the vehicle and to unlock it. It's as easy as putting our hand inside the door handle here. If we take a quick look inside the door, right up top you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors with your memory seating presets right next to the door handle. You do have some storage space on the bottom of the door as well. If we take a look next to the door, you'll find your parking assist button where you can turn those sensors on and off. You'll also find your heated steering wheel. Now inside, the Sienna comes equipped with gray leather seating. On the bottom you'll have your power seating adjustment buttons, and on the top you also have a power moonroof. Now this Sienna is a push to start, so we're going to push the brake in and push the start button right behind the steering wheel there. Starting with the steering wheel features first, on the left side you have your audio controls, hands-free calling, and your voice recognition. On the right side you have your Toyota safety sense with lane departure alert and dynamic radar cruise control. If we press these arrows here, this also allows you to cycle through your multi-information display. Moving on to our screen here, right now we are on the home screen where it will display any audio that's playing along with any device that's connected. You also have your navigation map on the right side, which we can press and that will enlarge. You can say your destination. Going into audio here, going into source, you have your standard AM and FM. You also have choices between CD, USB, and Bluetooth, of course. Now going into reverse, on the left side you have that direct view backup camera, and on the right side you have the 360 bird's eye view. Underneath that is the climate control. It is the tri-zone, so the temperatures can be adjusted for you and the passenger, along with the passengers in the back. On the bottom here, you'll find some storage and cup holders. You can slide this piece out for those extra cup holders. You have your driver passenger heated seats, USB and auxiliary, and your 12-volt outlet. Now, like I mentioned, the Sienna does have power sliding doors, so we're going to hold that left button on our key fob for the left door to open up. Now, if we take a look inside here, you can see we are continuing with the gray leather seating. Inside here, behind the front passenger and driver seats, you'll find 2 USB ports along with a power outlet. You have some storage compartments underneath or behind the driver and passenger seats. Of course, you have your screen up top along with the dual moonroof. The second row seats do fold down. There's a little button up top. We can just pull this handle. Seats will fold. You can slide them forward, giving you access to your third row seating. And like I mentioned, the Sienna does have a power liftgate, so we're going to hold that bottom button here. If we sneak inside, you can see even with the third row seats up, you still have plenty of storage space in the back here. The third row seats do fold down. There's these little handles. We can just pull on those. Seats will come all the way down and fold flat, giving you that storage space in the back. And like I mentioned, the second row seats do fold down as well. That will always give you that extra bit of room. Taking a last look at our Toyota Sienna, once again, some of those great interior features include your driver and passenger heated seats, heated steering wheel, navigation, and a tri-zone climate control. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around, and as always, drive safe.